Hey dudes, welcome back to James Presents RC on YouTube. And you'll notice we've got in front of us the Traxxas Trx4 Sport laid bare. Now this has been stripped down, this chassis, quite a lot, as you'll notice. I mean, mods this week that I've done, take the back chassis legs off. They were out to about here. They've now been shortened. We've fitted a drill motor. We've gone back to using drill motors. These are fantastic little bits of kit. As you can see, it's RS550, 14.4 volts, so it will take a 4S LiPo. I'm going to be running it on 3S. I've already taken it out today. These motors are just solid. The motors they should have put in really from stock, but they used a similar but cheaper variant of these. I mean, these are cheap enough as they are, but they are fairly decent. This has come out of dewalt drill, this quite an old dewalt drill, with the NiCad batteries have gone knackered. Yeah, great little mod. So what are we talking about in this video? Right, you may notice on the back I'm running a completely different link setup now. The front, obviously using the steels. These are the stock steel links. We got an M4 thread on these. Then the grey, quite weighty, not very adjustable. I don't really want the weight on the rear anyway. But basically, I've got a new body for this, as you'll know, and I want to cut the wheelbase down, as I said at the start of the video. And the stock links are obviously way too long. They give a wheelbase of roughly 313 as stock, the stock links, but these are gonna give me a wheelbase of around 300, so I've knocked off roughly about 1.5 centimeters. As you can see, they're nice and solid, got no binding, I've got full articulation. Yeah, great little mod. Now I bet you can't guess what these are actually from, so if you want to leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what you think these are made from. Now these are carbon fibre. These are heavy duty carbon fibre. I just get that light, you see a little bit better there. So that rod is an 8mm dowel. They've just been epoxied, and they had super glue to tack them, and they've just been epoxied. They're very sturdy, they're very strong. I've used these type of tie rods as steering rods and all sorts on 5th scales, even anything up to a 5th scale on gases. When they're epoxied in like this, they create a very strong bond, but they must be a very tight fit against the turnbuckle themselves, which thankfully these are. There's an 8mm hole and an 8mm rod itself. But yeah, these are very lightweight. They're sat on the rear of the rig. The whole reason that I wanted to change the wheelbase, as I said, was because the new body's going on there. So yeah, keep an eye out, and I'll post a video up of the rig running with its new body in the next coming few days. Alright, cheers guys.